Hi, I have some crappy news. Apparently Limewire is now shut down, which sucks. Because I finally got it working on my computer 2 days ago. Here, let me see. Let me show you. Look, you go on Limewire, see, it's saying file sharing is currently disabled in Limewire down here. I'm like, okay. So that happened like a day ago, so I went on their website and it says this. So, yeah. You can't download it, like you can't do anything on their website. It's saying this is an official notice that Limewire should stop distributing its file sharing software. See, I had it for like a day and a half, and this is how much music I downloaded. And it's like, but everyone stopped using it like a year ago, so I know I'm really behind everyone. So that's the crappy news. But the good news is I finally jailbroke my iPod again. Let me show you the program that I used somewhere. It's called Green Poison. And it was an MC model, which was really awesome. I don't know, it's not on here anymore. Yeah, it's not on here anymore. I think I deleted it. Yeah, it deletes itself after it's done. But let me switch back over to here. Yeah, so my iPod is dead right now, so I can't show you it. But I jailbroke it, and it's the 4.1 software, so I'm happy. Yes. So happy news and sad news. Yeah. Bye.